How's it going today, guys? I'm Edward Cross II. Thank you for joining EEKNation. For all you guys out there that I've had an opportunity to meet, I just want to say thank you. I am so honored. You guys from New York City to San Diego Comic-Con to Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Kansas City, Cleveland. You guys have been amazing, and it has been a fantastic journey. We've got some really cool things coming up. This is our third video. Not so much a how-to video, but we're excited to bring it to you. I was asked to do a green Power Ranger. Love the Power Rangers. JDF is such a cool dude. So we're going to do this guy right here, and we're going to kind of take you through it start to finish, show you the pencils all the way through. I did use Copic markers on this one. Love them. Again, alcohol-based markers. They're kind of the go-to when I'm out at the Comic-Con scene. So once again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Okay, so we actually got to decide what Green Ranger we're going to draw. So this is me actually taking the time on this one to show you guys me laying out. Now, I've done these several times, these headshots. I typically will go with the profile or the 3/4. This one is almost completely profile, but still a little 3/4. So is it 3 pro quarter? I don't know. So I like to get the basic laid out, make sure my proportions are there. Take my time, just get all the intricate parts of the costume. Like I said, there's a lot of different versions. We are going for like a Mighty Morphin Power Ranger, but there we go. This part, you can see me starting to lay down the colors, again with the alcohol-based markers. I like to put my light colors down as my base tones, and that's where I suggest you guys start. This makes it easier for you to build up your contrast. It's a lot harder to start trying to make your picture lighter once you've already got all your dark tones down. And I'm going to let this kind of play out. You can see me lay these colors down, and I'm moving quite fast here. If only I actually worked this fast. I will join you here in a little bit, guys. Thanks. Okay, guys, go Power Rangers! All right, who else joined with me in singing that? No, just me. I was the only one. Wow, tough crowd. Well, we're nearing the end of the video, guys. I think this is turning out pretty good. Again, I love the Power Rangers. I just want to go watch the movies, and I can't wait for them to reboot it. I actually like the one that they made a few years ago. I was excited for it, and if they reboot it, I'm okay with that too. So tell me what you guys think. Here it is, all finished, complete. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.